to the channel, guys. We're back out at the track, and I'm early as usual because I want to get here and let the car cool down. And Derek's got his 18 with the Whipple on it, but it's like, I don't even know how hot it is. It's like 95 degrees out here, and not ideal air, but we're gonna try and do work tonight. So yeah, see what you'll do. Alright guys, so here's the situation. I did try to send it, as you can see in the video. Launched it right about 5 grand. Car went sideways, and I didn't lift, stayed in it, got her straightened around. Hopefully you can see it, but ran 831 still at 91 miles an hour. You know, gonna drop some pressure, see what that does. You know, it didn't take the launch. Yeah. So we need to make some adjustments. I'm really hoping. I know the DA is bad. The DA is like 2,900 right now, and it's really hot and humid. But I really think it can, you know, we can do better than we're doing. So just gonna keep on trying. All right, guys. So I know it's a little dark, but we got Derek's Whippled 2018. He's gonna make a hit tonight. Got mine, obviously. We got Ken, dude. Ken.
What'd you run, brother? You spun.
I went sideways.
Hey, you launched it, man.
Yeah, 831 at 91.
Yeah, but you launched it. That's the main thing.
And I didn't get out of it.
I know.
I stayed in it. I stayed in it. So
you did good.
Did you get a good video?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, huge shout out to Skinny for getting that video.
Yes.
He is the man. Thank you, sir.
If you wouldn't have spun, that'd have been a hell of a run.
I know. That's kind of what I was thinking.
But get some more heat in the tire. Well,
yeah.
You got enough heat.
I
don't think you was in a groove.
I need to drop the pressure.
Yeah.
That's what I need to do. But
it does line you up next time.
Real quick, guys, we also got Gary's car. We got Ken's 500, and then Mr. Hanky is here. Huge shout out to Jerry for bringing the helmet. I was told by the tower I better have a helmet when I come around, so Jerry grabbed me one. But I know everybody remembers Mr. Hanky. He's like the favorite on the channel. If you don't know who Mr. Hanky is, go back and watch. We built this car on the channel. Freaking awesome. All right, guys. Hadn't really cooled off, but we're gonna give her hell again.
Mine's still dropping. Go run yours. You need more.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna get my number one way or the other. That's pretty much what we're gonna do. So, hold on. So that is what is up, guys. Gonna drop the RPM down to about 4,000. Tire pressure's down 2 psi to 15, and we'll see what that does. I'm okay with a little wheel speed, spinning. Hopefully it doesn't go sideways. We can just drive through it. We'll see. finally, we launched at 4. It dead hooked, bogged a little bit, but we are making progress. They're 192 60 foot, which is decent, but we finally got our 791 at 93. So we're getting there, y'all. Are we getting there? Or are we getting there?
Getting there.
Heck yeah, I'm serious. We're actually getting there. So obviously it's still bogging. You know, the Coyote needs a lot of RPM out of the hole, but it's a step in the right direction. So I'm not complaining. Having a freaking awesome time. It's good to be back in the seat, actually doing work, so you guys can see what it's doing, and I'm loving it. So it's gonna keep on going. 768, 93 mile an hour.
Yeah,
Dude, you sent
at the
it.
last second, I decided I was going to race him.
Yeah,
So
I love it.
Okay, we're going.
That was good. Yeah, it run good, especially for this air.
I ran a 766.
You mean you beat a race car?
He beat a race car.
In a street car with air conditioning and leather? Oh, I know. Yeah, I know.
All day.
I know. Yeah, that was good.
The second gear's on, man. Woo!
Yeah, it hit hard. You'll see it in the video. It hit hard. Hit real hard. How do you feel about that? Extreme close up. All right, so make another pass here in just a minute. We're gonna try to send it. We're gonna try it, boys. Full send. If it breaks, it breaks. At least I gave you a good show. So we'll see. I know it's dark. I'm sorry. Let's see how cold she is. She's not very chilly, but it's a hot one out here, boys. All right, guys. I know it's a little noisy, and you probably can't hear a damn thing I'm saying, but this is pass number 3. Last one we did 17 psi in the tires. Launched at 4 grand. Little bit of bog, little bit of wheel spin, but other than that, it ran really good. Got my best 60 foot so far. So I'm gonna up it a little bit. We're gonna go 4,500 and just see what it does. Boys, I felt pretty good. Got a little bit of wheel spin. We'll see. It left really good. Little bit of bog, little bit of wheel spin. We'll see in just a second. Getting her figured out, boys. Appreciate it, boss. $180 60 foot, baby. Right there. 775. Woo! Finally, we're figuring this. Oh, sorry. Figuring it out, boys.
All right, Caleb.
All right, Ken. Shine some light on her. Woo! Woo, baby! Finally.
776 at 92 mile an hour. With a 1.860. Did good.
Finally.
She's there.
She's starting to do something.
She's there, man.
Holy
She's there. We are very close to each other. I ran a 766 with a 1.760.
We got that 180, baby.
Yes, sir.
Man,
Yes, sir.
we're getting there. We are getting there. It's 776 with a 92.8 mile an hour. Mile per hour didn't pick up much. ET did.
It doesn't matter. That
Yeah.
ET drop.
Woo! Man, that felt
getting it there,
felt
man.
solid.
You're
That
getting it there.
felt solid out of the
What
hole.
did you leave at that time?
I love 4,500.
Good.
Didn't change tire pressure. Did 4,500. So
There you go.
What do you think, Skinny? We're getting there, bro.
We're getting there, man.
And you killed it tonight, too. So I'm loving it.
Yes, sir.
I'm loving it. I'm hot. I'm sweating.
It is hot out
It's
here.
a damn good feeling. Damn good feeling. Love it. All right, boys. Camera's ready. See what's up here. Keys in. Y'all, I'm telling you, it is hot. It is hot. Yeah, of course. Look at Ken. Look at Ken in the way. Look at, see Ken right there. Ken. You see Ken? Huh? I don't know. I got the GoPro on. All right, boys. Last attempt of the night. I'm tired. Let's see what's up. Of course, we got pedestrians in the way here. Go back up here, see what we can do. 45 seemed like the sweet spot. It's about as good as we're gonna do in this air tonight, so we'll try it again. Y'all, so I'm racing this big tire like Cutlass that you can't even see, but I cut him down on the tree. I ended up getting a red light, but I don't know, I think we did good. As you can see, I'm racing this freaking Pro Street Cutlass or something, but let's see what we got here. Appreciate it, boss. We slowed down. 191.60, 791 at 92. Oh well, guys, you know, for the air that we're in tonight, I mean, I can't really complain. Everybody's car's been running off the mark a little bit, so no complaints out of me. Getting this thing figured out, and I'm freaking loving it. All right, guys, so that is what is up. Great night at the track again. Getting the thing figured out. I'm super excited about that. Getting that 60 foot down, which is in turn getting the ET down. And man, I love it. Out here doing work. So again, we're just gonna keep getting faster, keep getting the car figured out. Definitely think it needs more gear. Probably gonna do 410s pretty quick. Just, you know, small mod motors don't make a lot of torque down low, especially all motors, so you know, we're probably gonna make that happen pretty quick. So there you go, guys, another awesome night at the track. Been waiting on this all winter, getting out here, just doing work, banging gears, hanging out with your friends. That's what it's all about. So in the meantime, if you like this video and you like doing drag racing stuff, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time. Later.